Okay, ladies, we have 2 meters taffeta material. On both sides, the print was the same, okay? Find the corners, put them behind you, and bring these corners to the front, okay? Slide, and make a double knot. 1 and 2. You will have a small holder between the knots, okay? Later we will use it, so just have a look where it is, okay? Now we take the other corner from down, bring it alongside here, put it behind, and bring it. You have like small pocket here happening. And bring it to the front. And now is the time when you put it through the small hole. Here. Bring it up. You can tighten the knot a little bit more. And then you can also make another knot to make sure nothing will happen to the dress. It will never fall down. Okay. You can correct this knot, and practically your dress is ready. Now have a look in the back. It's pretty good. And again, look in the front. You can adjust this knot. You have a little small flower, no problem. You look very pretty. You can add the hat to this dress. I'm sure it will look very good. Now we have a dress from the front and the dress from the back. And in a minute I will show you the photos with the full length of the dress. I hope you will have a really fun tying this dress, and see you next time.